We take soaked and clean green moong dal, add 2 cups of water with 1 teaspoon of salt and turmeric powder and cook it for 3 to 4 whistles on medium flame. Then in a hot pan, we add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and add a bay leaf. Once the oil sizzles, we add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic and saute it till it turns light brown. Then we add 2 medium onions which are finely chopped and fry them until they turn translucent. After this, we add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and 1 small tomato chopped and keep sauteing. Next, we add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili paste, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and cook them until the raw smell of the spices goes away. Now we add a sprinkle of water so our ingredients can cook through and then add half teaspoon of garam masala. After this, we add the boiled green moong dal to the pan and braise it with rest of the ingredients. We will add half cup of water and salt to taste and reduce the flame and cover and cook for the next 5 minutes. Then we add 2 eggs into the gravy and slowly cook it before mixing it so we can get chunky egg pieces. Next we add 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi crushed in hand so that its aroma is released. We will finish off with chopped chilies and coriander stems. And finally, we add a dollop of ghee.